Hello and welcome to the TaxTron desktop tutorial video series. In this video, I will be walking you through how to use the navigation bar on our T1 tax software for Mac. Let's begin with the File menu, which offers several functions to manage your returns, including creating new returns, opening existing ones, rolling forward returns, closing returns, saving changes, printing returns or specific pages, and accessing properties or settings. The Edit menu provides various options to modify your tax return. You can use the Undo and Redo functions to reverse or reapply changes, copy and paste content, delete selected items, select all content, remove specific forms, and clear any overrides by using the Remove All Overrides option. Next is the View menu, which offers several options to customize your workspace and view settings. You can show or hide the tab bar, display all tabs, hide the toolbar, zoom in or out to adjust the display size, and enter full screen mode. The Tools menu offers various functions to enhance your tax return preparation. You can manage print formats, access the calculator, recalculate your return, and download TeamViewer for Mac to use when contacting our support staff. The Linking menu provides the functionality to link and unlink returns between spouses, allowing for the joint filing of tax returns. On the other hand, the Optimization menu offers options to maximize your refund and optimize your pension in coordination with your spouse. These features help you optimize your tax situation and potentially increase your overall tax benefits. Moving on to the Transmission menu, this offers several features to facilitate the submission of forms and the filing of your return with the CRA. These features include the ability to autofill your return, filing authorization for your client, e-filing your return, downloading an Express NOA, filing PAD, filing MARQ, filing a T1135 form, the ability to refile your return, and filing a business consent form. Lastly, the Help menu, situated at the end of the navigation bar, offers useful resources for assistance. You can use the search option to look up specific keywords or topics to find relevant help. Additionally, the Help manual provides access to comprehensive documentation where you can find answers to various questions and detailed instructions on using different features. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on social media for more exciting content. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be alerted every time we upload a new video.